Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to run Alpha One iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. Just click the link you see up here right now and you can register today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my Telegram group and my WhatsApp community. There I give all my Forex trades and binary option trades. So make sure you register there today and be a part of my community. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot. there we have it. $509 in matter of 7 minutes. So once again, amazing trade with Alpha 1 iBot. You can use this robot also. Just use the link you see up here now, this roboting. You can just push it and register today, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.